Once upon a time, in the depths of the ocean, there lived a little fish named Finny. Near the shore, there was a small bird named Flappy. Finny loved swimming in the sea, and Flappy enjoyed flying in the sky. One day, Flappy flew down to the water's surface to clean his wings. Just then, Finny noticed Flappy and swam over to him. Finny said, "Hello, friend. My name is Finny." Flappy replied, "Hello, Finny. My name is Flappy. Nice to meet you." Finny then asked, "Why don't you come and swim with me in the deep waters?" Flappy responded, "I can't go deep into the ocean, but you can fly with me in the sky if you want." Finny said, "The ocean is such a beautiful place. Flying in the sky can't be that great." Flappy replied, "No, swimming in the sea isn't as wonderful as soaring through the sky." Each of them believed their world was the best. While they were having a little argument, a small fly flew over and said, "I couldn't help but overhear your conversation. I think every place has its own beauty. You are a fish, and you are a bird. Instead of arguing, why don't you share and show each other the beauty of your worlds?" Hearing this, both Finny and Flappy felt embarrassed. The little fly was right. A fish couldn't fly like a bird, and a bird couldn't dive deep like a fish. They found a common ground and shared stories about their worlds. From that day on, they became close friends.